Hi there! Today we show you how to make a creamy vegan pasta with tahini sauce, mushrooms and toasted walnuts. Let's start by washing and chopping the mushrooms. We like to cut the mushrooms in 4 parts along the stem. This way, each quarter retains a piece of the soft cap and a chewy stem. We picked Shiitake mushrooms for this recipe, but feel free to choose whatever you fancy. Okay, now set the mushrooms aside and start boiling a pot of water. Meanwhile, we'll dry toast the walnuts in a skillet to enhance their flavor. Keep cooking and stirring until you can smell their fragrance. Then set them aside for later. Now it's time to cook the mushrooms. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of oil to a skillet, followed by 2 crushed garlic cloves. Stir a little bit and add 1 tablespoon of oregano, a pinch of clove, cinnamon, and a teaspoon of chili flakes. Once sizzling, add in the mushrooms, followed by half a glass of water. Now, cover the pan with a lid and let the mushrooms cook at medium heat until the water evaporates. At this point, the water should be boiling, so dip in some coarse salt and the pasta. Cook following the packet instructions, but remove 1 or 2 minutes from the cooking time to get an al dente finish. Make sure you keep half a glass of the cooking water before discarding it. Pour the starch-rich water over the mushrooms, followed by the tahini to get a creamy vegan sauce. Cook for a few minutes until the cream thickens. Then add a bit of fresh parsley. Finally, pour in the pasta and give a thorough stir to ensure a creamy coating all around. All is left now is to serve this delicious dish. Finish off the plate with the toasted walnuts, a pinch of chillies, and some fresh parsley. Enjoy!